Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and today our video topic is full stack development. So what is a full stack development? Full stack development is referred to the development of the both front end and the back end potential of the web application. Full stack developers use have the ability to design the complete web application and websites. They work on the front end, back end and database and debugging of web application for and websites. So first is a front end. The visible part of the website or web application, which is responsible for user experience. The user directly interact with the front end potential of the application or websites. So front end languages. The front end is built by the using some languages which are we are discussed. First is a HTML. So HTML means a hypertext markup language, and it is used to design the front-end portion of the pages using the markup language. And HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup languages. Hypertext is define the link between the web pages, and the markup language is used to define the text documentation within the tag, which is defined as a structure of the web pages. And the next is a CSS. The cascading CSS full form is cascading style sheets. Fondly refers to the CSS is a simply designed language interested to the simplify the process of the making web pages presentable. And CSS allows you to apply style web pages or more importantly. CSS enables you to do this independent of the HTML that make up each web pages. Next is a JavaScript. So JavaScript is a famous scripting language used to create the magic on the sites to make the site interactive of the user, and it is used to enhance the function. It is used to enhance the functionality of a web page running on the games on the web-based softwares. Next is from front-end framework and libraries. Let's discuss about the AngularJS. AngularJS is a JavaScript open source front-end framework that is mainly used to develop single-page applications. And it is a continuously growing and expanding framework which is provided better ways for developing web applications. And it is changed the static HTML to dynamic HTML, and it is an open sources project which can the freely use for the change by the anyone, and it extend HTML attributes with directive and the data is bound with the HTML. Next is a React.js. React is a interactive, efficient, and the flexible JavaScript library for building using interface. React.js is an open sources component based front-end library responsible only for the view layer of the application, and it is maintained by the Facebook. Next is a Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a free and the open sources tool collection for creating responsive websites and the web application in the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive for mobile first web sites. Next is a JS Query. JS Query is an open source JavaScript library that simplifies the interaction between the HTML, CSS document, or more professionally the document object oriented model. And the JavaScript elaborating the term object query simplify HTML document traversing and the manipulating browser event handling document object module animation alias interaction and the cross browser JavaScript development. Next is a SAS, mean SASS. It is the most reliable, mature, and the CSS extension language. It is used to extend the function of the existing CSS of the sites, include everything from variable inheritance and the nested with ease. Some of the libraries as framework are Semantic UI, Foundation, Materialization, Backbone.js, Express.js, Eber.js, etc. So what we have to remember on this topic. So first is a work with the text editors and the use shortcut as the functionalities. Example Visual Studio, Atom, Sublime, etc. And make it the responsible using grid system. Also git and git commandable like init, add, commit, etc. for version control and go work with the team along with the Other tools are like NPM and Package Manager, ESASS, CSS, preprocessor, browser, development tools, and other tool developments. Thank you.